Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Back again. Yes, I'm back. Today I have another origami project, and if you're asking if I'm still into Lego, yes, I am still into Lego. I have a lot of builds I want to show you. So anyways, this is my new jet. It's called the Spectre. It has retractable color change landing gear, 2 afterburners, a reinforced wingtip, reinforced nose, and it flies a bit crazy, I guess, if you could say. It flies like, it spins around a lot. I took a while to actually make it able to fly, because before I added anything, it literally didn't fly at all. If you threw it, it would just flop on the ground. This is actually the prototype model that I used to test out features and whatnot. And yeah, I settled on this. As you can see, it's taken a lot of fall damage. This also, actually, I've tried it out a bit on this, but also if you see something black like that, that's a bug, I don't know, in the room. Probably I'll find out and catch it, but oh well. Yeah, so let's get to folding. I recommend you use printer paper. Printer paper is good. You can use something else like thinner paper, but not too thin. Don't go too thin. Like as thick as printer paper is good. Also, if you see a charger, I'm charging my phone, so yeah. We're gonna start. Today I'm gonna fold a bit faster, since usually I take too long explaining stuff. So basic folds I want to explain. Also, again, as usual, I probably won't fold perfectly, as there's a camera in my face with a tripod, actually. So yeah, don't bother asking me why I fold badly. Yeah, don't judge me. So yeah, this is the usual base, the Garuda base, since I used this on the Garuda, if I'm not mistaken. Also, the next videos I will also be next origami videos I'll also be less talkative like this, because that'll just save storage. And yeah, so I guess this channel is now more for experienced origamis, but of course, complex folds I will still explain. Folds that might need some attention. Also, this paper is a printer paper too. If it's just a colored version of A4. If you're mistaken, it's kind of light green, but I think you could see yellow. I think, yeah. And now you're gonna fold from that point and along that point here, there's the intersection. Basically fold along this too, I guess. This is a bit of a more complex fold, so this should take about 30 minutes, I think. I don't know. But without me talking and explaining, probably take me roughly 20 minutes, maybe? I don't know. It's not too good. Oh well. Also, this does not fly well, as I've already mentioned. This does not fly well, and yeah, this does not fly well. So, people who want to fly this model, do not watch this. It does fly, but if you throw it just very gently, like not very gently, but not full power throw. So yeah, basically that. And if you didn't know how to fold this base, you can just, I don't know, slow down the video or what. Or maybe if you're confused, you can watch the Garuda jet. I've explained how to fold the base, I think. Squash this. If I'm not clear when I'm doing this, I'll go back to explaining it, every single step, you know. But sometimes I just get bored, so I just start talking, I guess. Now we're gonna pedal fold this up. Also, if you want to see me make more origami, oh, that's really bad. Want to see me make more origami jets, please consider subscribing. Already got 130, I think. That's really cool. Thanks for the support. Yeah, pedal fold this, crease it down. Good. I don't know, for some reason that's a bit off. Hold on. Probably because the paper's bad. Something, oh well, I don't really care. So as I get this done, crease it down hard. Hold on, I'm gonna get something that'll help me. Yes, if you're asking, this is a Lego piece. This will help me in creasing. It's not creasing stone, but I don't actually have stones here. I might go and try and find one on the ground or something. But yeah, basically just open this entire paper out, pull this around, pull this paper. Try and stuck. And refold. if you did that properly, you'll have this basically. Front. Oh yeah, by the way, this actually has a gun. Hold on, I forgot to tell you. This has a gun. I'm just gonna use this one. It does have a gun, a bit of a gun. As you can see. Yeah. So this is the gun. This is the gun. Also, yeah. Reform this with the creases already made. So now you have kind of a pseudo base going on here, a crane base going on here. It kind of looks like a crane base with the small triangle and the long triangles on here. Doing this actually creates another flap, this, which allows us to make the gun, and it also kind of traps the color change here, just pulls it out, right? So open this, and along the creases already made, you're going to rabbit ear fold, place it down. I don't know, it's kind of stupid to use this, but actually used for shaping the engines later. Then inside reverse fold this crease. Pre-crease for a squash here. This is actually really ugly paper. Kind of rushing it because I have some things to do. Like, oh, by the way, if I'm not uploading much, that's because it's homework. Yeah, it's not actually a holiday here, but I got schoolwork that I was given. Hold on, just focus. So I'm basically using this camera as my view. I'm not actually looking at the paper. It's focusing. Oh, that's weird. What's that? That yeah, that's the landing gear. We will do the color change later. Now to do the wings. The wings are a bit and guys, if you don't like this model, it's fine. I actually made this thing, designed it in a car. I just did some random folds, and I actually got this. I just wanted to fold new jet. I got bored. Folded the base and then just quickly folded like everything else, and it turned out like that. Actually turned out really good. Actually, I would really like it. And I guess we can crease this along with that. By the way, this is along this line. Yeah. Now we're gonna start from like this wing first. Pay attention here. Fold out along this crease, the outmost crease. Then kind of push it down and fold along that. Oh wait, fold out. And then just kind of fold this aside and push. now to make a kind of guidance line here for a layer, we're going to fold this up along the body of the jet, crease it, not fully, I mean you can go fully, but just about here, halfway-ish. So as long as we have this line here going. Now we're gonna fold the intakes. Now this is gonna be a bit, so fold to that point. Then fold we have a crease, this crease, and fold up so that this crease is in the middle right there. So that crease is in the middle between this point and that edge. It's a bit difficult. And then you're gonna stretch that out so that it touches the edge right there. Let's focus. Right there. So it's a bit angled, like that. And I'm gonna fold this back. I'm gonna fold along that crease, that guidance crease that we just made. Yes. From there, we're gonna fold down as far as it will go without like kind of getting it out, you know, like roughly there. So we can reinforce it better. Now here, going to fold this up from that point to that point. Along that crease, we're gonna fold this up. This will reinforce it. Inside reverse fold. Kind of like that. And you know what? I'm just gonna do this. Inside reverse fold the first there, and then inside reverse fold this. Don't crease that down. You're gonna fold this one flap. Just like that. And make sure this second crease is already along there. That will reinforce it better. Now we're going to side reverse fold this crease. if it doesn't fit, you might have to crimp this a bit, but mine does for some reason. Sometimes it doesn't want because like that means you inside reverse fold it either too big or too small or something. Yeah, like over on this one here, I actually had to crimp. That's why it's a bit ugly down here. Yeah. Also, if you have another idea to lock this, because this sometimes kind of opens out, but some reason, but I can't really fix that. Anyways, yeah, that's it. That's it. Now repeat that here. Yeah, as you can see here, I had to crimp it. But as long as you did it like accurately, it's fine. Sometimes you have to kind of adjust that position a bit. Now we're going to do the angle change. If you don't want to do the angle change, it's fine. Also, if you're calling me bad at designing planes that can't fly, I have a plane that I've been working on. I haven't really had a name. I'll probably post a vote in my a post later, community something. or probably comment down the name of a plane you'd like to name it, I guess. But I don't expect that. I mean, not a lot of people watch my videos. The best one was the Concorde, and the Concorde one was actually pretty good. Got like 2,300-ish. So what you're doing here is you do that from there, fold from that point down to there, kind of swivel it down, then I'm gonna do it for kind of like a rabbit ear, like almost a rabbit ear fold later. Now we're done. Oh wait, no, we still have to fold the gear. Yes. Squash, that's not a good squash. Fold this into thirds. Fold this up to that point. Focus. Use that, and then you kind of swivel it so that it comes to a point in the center crease there. Get that. Then you outside reverse fold while the crease is made. Repeat. Fold down. Outside reverse fold. About there. My bad if that's I'm gonna fold this edge to that edge. And refold that up. Go like that. Repeat on this side. that. Now we're going to give it the color change by folding this part up to the edge. While doing that, you fold this up. Since there's this thing, you kind of just squash it along with the bottom pocket here. Also, this nose is quite thick, and using print paper, it will rip probably. And then you're gonna fold this entire nose from that point and that point. You don't have to crease it down well, just get a crease, a mark somewhere there. Then pre-crease the jet pool. By folding from the edge tip there down to that point, like that, and then you're gonna fold this up, and jet fold. If you're using pretty paper, this is a struggle to get the jet fold well. Also, outside, reverse fold the tail here somewhere. Dang, this focus. Oh shoot, I think I ripped it. I know, never mind. False alarm. There, put a bit more. Yeah, there. Crease this down well, and your option, you can fold this down if you want. Inside, reverse fold that down. So rip, definitely. Make sure the layers don't kind of like pop out, you know. Just wanna cover it up. Fold to lock, fold that up, and roll that into the interior of the model. Now to shape, now to basically shape the model. You're gonna grab a tool or a nail, open this up. This is the intake. Get that. What you can do is just kind of, almost kind of squash that kind of down. As long as you get the crease going, like you squash that so that doesn't close, and along that, from there, kind of make a small crease like this going down, and that gives the ear a little more a circular shape. Fold this bit a bit and shape the intakes, round out the intakes. Along with this. You can also make a crease here to fold that up along there. There. I'd actually be kind of happy if someone actually posted a video of their folds of, how they folded my jets. I'd actually be really happy if someone did that. Still, give me credit, but just want to know if someone who's not a YouTuber also watches this and likes these vids, because I need support, y'all. That you can leave it open a bit, just barely open, to give it a bit more texture. Put that a bit more up. That. Pull the gear down. Final touches. There you go. Sometimes the gear might be a bit smaller on one side. That means you folded it a bit bad. Because, yeah. It's just really off. And that is the Spectre Origami fighter jet. Yeah, that's the Spectre Origami fighter jet. You already know how to make the gun, right? So, yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. By the way, the plane I was talking about, the one I've been making. Hold on, let me get it. Is this one? I haven't named it, so please tell me in the comments what should I name it. It flies really cool. Canard's reinforcement tip, and go change square afterburners, you know, the usual. Oh, color change also, yeah. But yeah, so yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.